Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon everybody. Breaking news from the Faculty Engineering of University Indonesia. Research developed propolis for the coronavirus COVID-19. Indonesian original propolis compound product by the Tetragornula biroi B was developed as an alternative treatment for coronavirus. Research from the Faculty of Engineering University of Indonesia, Muhammad Sahlan developed the original Indonesian propolis compound product by the Tetragornula biroi of as an alternative treatment and prevention of the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19. As reported in the University Indonesia press release, the propolis is proven to have a natural inhibiting component that can be used to produce drugs with minimal negative effect on both the human body and available natural resources. Sahlan said that the composition of propolis is not always the same throughout the world. In this study, the propolis compound comes from the Tetragornula biroi of B. It should be understood that propolis has different characteristics depending on the sources of the plant and its location. The difference in plant sources, location, and research process will also distinguish the propolis compounds products. Currently, several countries are developing drugs and vaccines for COVID-19. One of them is China, which developed a drug based on research published by Prof. Yang from Shanghai Tech University in January 2022. In his research for what managed to map the structure of the coronavirus protein, found that the coronavirus that causes COVID-19 must attack to the living cell, in the case the human lung. Before injection, its genetic structure into the living cell to multiply. To break this activity, a chemical inhibitor called N3 was developed as an alternative drug for COVID-19. What is interesting to me, the propolis that I study has the nature of inhibiting the process of attaching virus to human cells that are similar to N3 compounds.